Hey guys, Kakord197 again, this time with a review of the 144th scale high-grade Universal Century base jabber from the Zeta Gundam, Double Zeta Gundam, and Gundam Unicorn series. So this is the Unicorn version, mainly because you of course got a slightly different color scheme, and overall the unit is somewhat upgraded, much more detailing. This little thing here is new. And, well, overall it's just an upgrade of the one used during the Zeta Gundam series and Double Zeta Gundam series. So, for colors, we get a very nice airplane-ish gray, a bluish gray, and that's about all for colors. You get two colors. That means you will have to do some painting. The handle, this thingy under the handle, thruster here, and this underneath here will also have to be painted. Now, painting these will not be that much of a problem, but painting this is probably not such a good idea because you're going to have to slide this in and out. So if you paint it, you're not going to be able to slide it out unless you scratch it. There's just no way to prevent that. Oh yeah, also these little vents here will also have to be painted the same gray. So for stickers, you get the white here, here. Pretty much all the white on here are stickers. Here, and these are also stickers. Other stickers are these three ones to form the cockpit, and you also get an extra one for the Earth Federation Space Force insignia. Two kind of problems I have with this sticker. One, it's a standard foil sticker. It's not one of those nice clear stickers that would go on really nicely. So that's problem number one. Problem number two is Earth Federation Space Force. You know what the purpose of the base jabber is? It gives the mobile suits flight capabilities on Earth. Not space, Earth. Now, yeah, this is of course a little minor problem. The main reason I didn't apply it is very simply because I'm going to use it for my Titans mobile suits. Because this, of course, was mainly used by the Titans during Zeta Gundam. Now, a few points of articulation as I've shown. This here moves in and out. Reason being, if you want to have your mobile suit lying flat on it to give it more of a streamlined position, you will have to extend these so that your mobile suit can lie on it, and you can then put them back in if your mobile suit is standing up. Rpc Articulation, these handles here move up and down. Then you've got his mega particle cannon here, a small one, but it does the job. We'll rotate halfway there and halfway there. No up and down, it's just on a simple peg. Also will not fall out because it has like a little slot where it fits in, so that once you fit it in, you will have to match up the peg on here with a slot in there. So, now other accessories that come with it. As you see, I've already got the landing gear on it, so that in his landed pose, ready to take off with a mobile suit on it, as you can see, mobile suit will go on very nicely. Now let's have him take off. Now, for starters, simply pull these out and get these little covers. And now you might think that they might be very difficult to remove, but they're actually very easy to remove. I mean, I'll show that in a second. So you just put them on, or you try to put them on. There we go. And you simply push them out, and out they come. So that was some very smart engineering on Bandai's part. Let's see, just put them all in there. And come on, just the last one, and there we go. Now, the last thing you want to do is remove this part and connect it to the action base. This will only work with the big action base because what you want to do is remove all of the add-ons and simply use the peg in which the add-ons would go, and then connect it to the peg here. And now you've got the base jabber in a nice flying position. But of course, if you're going to buy this, you're going to buy mobile suits to go with it. So to put the mobile suits on there in just lying flat position, it's very simple. You remove the hand, remove the cover, screw it in, and these handles work with all of the hands. The older hands like this, and also, of course, the newer ones for which they were designed. Simply put it back in, and you position your mobile suit a little bit. And like I said, you gotta extend these for in order to have your mobile suit just lying flat on there. Simply put the head good, and there we go. The Mark II is lying flat on the base jabber, ready to attack presumably the HGUC, or wipe out some Xeon remnants. Put that back, and of course, if you don't like having your mobile suit just lying there, you fold these back in, and there we go, mobile suit, a Jim Quill in a nice backwards firing position. And to wrap it up, here is the Marasai on it. So, as always, the inevitable question is, do you want to buy this? Well, it retails for around 1,000 yen, and for this guy, I think it's really, really worth it. You might have to do a little bit of painting to get it to look exactly like the box art, but it looks good as it is. And let's not forget that Bandai could have easily made it all one color, remove all of the stickers, give it like a little bit of extra surface detail, tripled the price, and they could have called it an X model. So I'm really glad they just made this a normal model, just a high-grade Universal Century and not one of those ridiculously expensive and actually pretty crappy X models. Well, crappy as in you've got to do a lot yourself. You do get a lot of surface detail, but that's all. So that's really, really good. And so overall, yes, I would definitely recommend this to any Gundam fan. I mean, it doesn't matter what series you're a fan of, it's always nice to have like a little flying platform to put your mobile suit on, to do like a few extra poses. I mean, you could use this for any model series, well, for any series of mobile suits that has openable hands. If you got seed models, you can put them on there. 00 models, Gundam H models, you name it, you can just put them on there and it will work with them. And it will look good. So, yes, I definitely recommend buying this for 1,000 yen. And of course, it works with all mobile suits. So, really, really awesome. I've been looking forward to this for a long, long time. And they finally did it. Now, just pull off my Marasai there, and there's also a different color variant for the Neo Xeon forces, or the Xeon Remnant forces. So I'm going to bet that they're going to make it, and that they're going to make it like one of those Bandai, I think online hobby store exclusive, which means that we won't be able to get it unless we pay triple the price or more. So that's all for this review, and see you at the next one.